After those trades, I began to view the trading process itself differently. Previously, I had treated each new position as a separate event. Now, however, I see it as part of a long series of decisions, where it is not the individual result that matters, but the overall pattern. I clearly remember the situation with EUR/USD on a day when the market moved within a narrow range for most of the session. Many were trying to catch short-term movements within the channel, but the price looked subdued, as if it were building up energy. I decided not to rush and waited for a breakout from the range. When the breakout was confirmed by volume and the price held the level, I entered the trade to ride the continuation. This trade was valuable, not for the size of the profit, but because patience, once again, proved more profitable than haste. There was another example with oil. After a sharp rise, the price opened with an upward gap, and most expected the momentum to continue. But within the first few hours, it became clear that buyers were unable to sustain the momentum. Instead of chasing the rally, I began to monitor the reaction at local highs. When there was a clear rejection of further upside, I opened a short position with a small risk. Sometimes the market teaches us that yesterday's strong movement does not guarantee strength today. When trading shares, I increasingly find that observing sector behavior helps me. If one company starts to look stronger than the rest even before any positive news emerges, this often indicates that demand is already building up. That's exactly how I got into a stock in the industrial sector once. The market as a whole was stagnating, yet this particular stock was gradually reaching new local highs. A few days later, good corporate data was released and the rally accelerated. Such moments reinforced my understanding. The best trades rarely look obvious to everyone. More often than not, they are built on details, relative strength, reaction to price levels, and the absence of follow-through after an impulse. I have also become more relaxed about missed opportunities. If the move passed me by, it means my scenario didn't materialize. It's far more important to maintain discipline than to enter a trade by chance and lose my rhythm.